Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Midtown is the commercial and cultural heart of Saskatoon. Located on the east side of the South Saskatchewan River, Midtown is where the city feels most alive, with a mix of shopping, dining, business, and entertainment all packed into a walkable urban core. It connects several key neighborhoods and serves as a central meeting point for both locals and visitors exploring Saskatchewan's largest city. One of the defining features of Midtown is its proximity to the South Saskatchewan River. Just steps away, you'll find scenic walking paths and bridges that offer wide views of the water and skyline. The river has always played a major role in Saskatoon's identity, shaping its layout and providing a natural gathering place. Today, it adds a calm contrast to the busy streets of Midtown. At the center of this district is Midtown Shopping Centre, one of the largest shopping centers in the region. Since opening in the late 1960s, it has remained a major draw, with a wide range of stores and services under one roof. Around it, you'll find a mix of office buildings, restaurants, and smaller shops that reflect the city's steady growth and changing economy. Midtown is also home to several important cultural landmarks. Nearby is the Remai Modern, a modern art museum that opened in 2017 and has gained national attention for its design and collection. The area also includes theaters, galleries, and public art installations, making it a key destination for anyone interested in the arts. Transportation has always been important to Midtown. It acts as a central hub for Saskatoon's public transit system, with buses connecting this area to neighborhoods across the city. Major roads pass through or near Midtown, making it easy to access whether you're coming from the suburbs or traveling through the region. Historically, Midtown has seen periods of both growth and change. Like many downtown areas, it faced challenges in the late 20th century as suburban development expanded. But in recent years, there has been renewed investment in the core, with new residential buildings, improved public spaces, and a focus on making the area more vibrant and pedestrian-friendly. Today, Midtown reflects a balance between past and present. You'll see older buildings that hint at Saskatoon's early days, alongside newer developments that show where the city is heading. It's a place where people come to work, shop, relax, and connect, all within a relatively compact area. Saskatoon itself is the largest city in Saskatchewan, with a population of over 270,000 people. Located along the South Saskatchewan River, it serves as a cultural, economic, and transportation hub for central Saskatchewan. The city is often referred to as the Paris of the Prairies because of its river crossings and scenic setting. The history of Saskatoon dates back to 1882, when settlers from the Temperance Colonization Society established a community along the river. The city's name comes from the Cree word for the Saskatoon berry, a native fruit that grows in the region. Saskatoon was officially incorporated as a city in 1906, following a period of rapid growth tied to railway expansion and agricultural development. Throughout the early 20th century, Saskatoon grew as a center for farming, trade, and education. The establishment of the University of Saskatchewan in 1907 played a key role in shaping the city's identity, attracting students, researchers, and professionals. Over time, the city expanded beyond its agricultural roots, developing industries in mining, technology, and manufacturing. The South Saskatchewan River runs through the heart of the city, dividing it into east and west sides and providing a natural focal point. Multiple bridges connect different areas of Saskatoon, contributing to its nickname. The riverbank is lined with parks, trails, and green spaces, making it a central part of daily life for residents and visitors. In recent decades, Saskatoon has experienced steady growth, driven in part by the province's resource industries and economic opportunities. New neighborhoods have been developed to accommodate this expansion. At the same time, efforts have been made to preserve the city's history and natural surroundings, balancing development with quality of life. Today, Saskatoon stands as a dynamic prairie city that blends history, culture, and modern development. Its river setting, growing population, and role as a regional center make it an important part of Saskatchewan's identity. For visitors, it offers a mix of urban amenities and natural beauty, all set within the wide open landscape of the Canadian prairies.
Thanks for watching!